Hello everyone. This video will provide a better understanding of our machine assembly and calibration process. So here is a fully calibrated and configured machine. Now disassemble into parts. Every machine undergoes separate, customized configuration. Therefore, you won't have to spend too much time on configuration. Each machine is disassembled and numbered by part after passing on quality checks. Numbered parts mark the screw hole labels for an incredible quick and easy assembly process. All screw positions are clearly marked, and each motor is labeled for easy identification. All cables come pre-terminated and are individually labeled. The configuration files are included on a USB drive like this one. Our one is simplicity and flexibility. Every part of our design is built for easy assembly, making it as straightforward as possible for the user.